Welcome back to another video. I'm really curious what is the overall community opinion regarding the CATIA V5 video tutorials, because currently I have a problem with one of my former students. They have a problem doing a finite element analysis on a part, and there are a lot of videos on YouTube, but most of them are just a video record with no voiceover. For example, like we can see over here from CATIA log, which is one of the most popular CATIA V5 accounts. And as you can see over here, the video will just be like this. So it will start with the part, it will create the part, it will assign the material. Afterwards, he's gonna do the computation. But before doing the computation, there are no aspects regarding the properties for the finite element, what will be the size and the nodes, which is really important. As you can see over here within the size, by default it was set to 30 millimeters, which is really high, and that will not give you an accurate measurement over here. So it will just change it to 8 millimeters, but there are no discussions why exactly is 8 millimeter a good sample size for the finite element over here, for example. So this is what also my former student said, that he's having a hard time understanding finite element analysis. Afterwards, he will do the clamping over here, and we're gonna see over here the static case. So it will position a pressure. We see the size over there onto the sides. As I'm familiar with finite element analysis, I can understand the reasoning behind all of those. And he will initially model this, and it will change the design. It will add a rib on the middle. But for example, over here, when we're gonna see that initial computation, when he's gonna activate that visualization, we're gonna see how scale that is. So in reality, it will not deform that much, but there are some changes that can be done within CATIA. And this is really important for people that are learning the basics, as this is also a basic analysis. It's important for them to know exactly what's happening. This is why I decided to add a comment over here. So haven't you considered to add voice to your videos, as FEA studies are complex and would require some additional discussions to help people learn? And this is something that I consider to be important, because this is not just your simple part design. You're going to take a look at a 2D drawing and you're going to input the values according those, and you're going to model the part, because this is a lot more complex over here. Especially when you're going to do the displacement, as we can see over here, the displacement, they should also be discussed, and why exactly are those values and what can be done. Because within this case study, that's the main purpose of this. But keep in mind that this displacement will be heavily influenced by the node size over here. So in this case, it was set to 8 millimeters for a part like this. If you're gonna go and change it to something less, for example 2, you're gonna see that those displacement value will be way off. So this is why I consider important to also discuss videos. We're gonna see over here also the estimated local error. Again, that should be discussed, because otherwise it's just a video, in my opinion, and it's not that useful to the end user. And I decided to make this video because, as I said, one of my former students said that he want to learn this and there are no good FEA studies. For example, over here we have another part where initially we're gonna see the design of the part. So all the way over here, we're still gonna do some part designing, and afterwards, so this will be mostly all the way over here, so up to minute 5, even more, I see that it will do that part design. So at the end, as we can see over here, all the way to the end of the video, we're gonna see that he will add the aluminum material, and afterwards he will do the clamping. But this is quite interesting. So we see the support. Okay, he will only clamp it over there onto those 4 surfaces. Okay. We'll also add again pressure onto those two surfaces. We see the value. So in this case, quite a huge pressure. And again, within this video, he'll just do the computational, but he didn't even present the node element, which again, for finite element analysis, it's really important. So not sure exactly what is the purpose of this video. It just shows the workflow, and we're gonna have all of those static cases presented. But since they are not properly defined from start, I don't know the exact value of a video like this. So let me know in the comment section, what is your opinion regarding this? Do you enjoy this kind of content where you're just gonna take a look at the video? And yeah, visually it looks interesting and people will click on it in order to learn, but not sure. Let me know in the comment section, because I'm really curious regarding this. My videos regarding CATIA barely get any like, and we see that this video already has 14 likes. So this is something that I only have on some of my videos. So mostly the ones created within the past 3 months have never reached that like button. So again, if you enjoy this kind of content, would be nice to engage with the viewers, with the community, and see exactly how we can improve online learning regarding computer-aided design, computer-aided manufacturing, and also computer-aided engineering. Okay, so I will position a similar video over here on the left side and a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.